Hello guys, see you again with Fine Thai Cuisine. Today I will show you how to make steamed fish with soy sauce or ปลาหนึ่งซีอิ๊ว. Very easy to make. Let's have a look at the ingredients. With frozen fish, which you can buy in any store. Keep watching, I will show you how to steam in the microwave. Shitake, you can use dry or fresh. If you use dry, don't forget to soak in the water first until soft before cooking. If you can't find the coriander root, you can use the stem of the coriander instead. I use sweet chili just for the color of the dish, not for spicy. Cut the spring onion into 3 cm and slice into thin stripes. Cut both ends of chili pepper and split into half. Remove the seed out and slice into small stripes. Peel off the ginger and slice into thin layers, and then cut into little stripes. Prepare normal water and add some pinch of salt. Then add ginger slice at the bottom. After, put the frozen fish on the top. Cover and bring it to steam. I use microwave on steam function for 4 minutes. First 4 minutes, take them out and turn to another side. And again for another 4 minutes. And now the fish is ready. Set the pot on medium heat and then add water into the pot. Add soy sauce, seasoning sauce, oyster sauce, palm sugar, and coriander root. Stir a bit and bring to boil. Add the mushroom and stir once again, turn off the heat. Pour some peppers and sesame oil at last. on high heat, add a little bit of sesame oil, following with the ginger, stir fry until the ginger getting smell. Add the chili pepper, spring onion and stir well. Add celery at last and then turn off the heat. And this is how you serve. Place the fish in the serving plate and then add the stir-fry vegetable on the top of the fish. Pour the sauce over and ready to serve. Easy to make, isn't it? We serve with jasmine rice on the side. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, please subscribe me and see you for the next video.